A new Poco phone has arrived at the FCC for testing. This is possibly the Poco X3, though for now we can only be certain of its model number, M2007J20CG. The Poco branding is clearly visible on the back. This schematic of the rear panel is surprisingly detailed and even includes the 64MP AI super camera on the label. The X2 also had a 64MP cam. Digging a bit further reveals that the phone will have a 5160 mAh battery with support for 33W charging, 11 volts at 3 amps. For comparison, the Poco X2 has a 4500 mAh battery with 27W charging. The FCC documents reveal a bit more about the Poco X3. It will stick with 4G connectivity. It's a dual SIM phone. There also Wi-Fi 5 AC and Bluetooth 5.1. The J20 version of this device will support LTE band 41, which is used by Vodafone Idea and BSNL in India. For example, the 64MP main cam and 33W charging specs match a rumor from last week, which claimed that a new Poco with a 120Hz OLED display and Snapdragon 765 chipset will be unveiled by the end of the month.